Hello everyone, so this is how you can use the bulk post planner feature of Contentdrips, which helps you create multiple LinkedIn posts for your next 2 weeks within few minutes. So this is how the feature works. So first thing first, you need to connect your LinkedIn account. If you haven't, it will show you a message here. I've already connected mine, so it's not showing me anything. Second thing is like you need to set up your schedule. It's really simple. You click on this button and the first step is to generate your content pillars. So content pillars are basically your theme, your topics, like general theme of your posts. So there are two ways, like you can also add your own content pillar, or you can ask AI to generate. So there are two things here. Content pillars are basically themes, as I mentioned, like a generic theme. And another thing which we recommend is like you should add your strategic narrative. So these are basically your like points of views about something specific. So let's say for me is like being a solo founder is not a limitation; it's an opportunity for innovation. So now that means like I can generate multiple posts based on this that supports this strategic narrative. And this is how you can do it. Like if you are not sure like what are your content pillars, you can use this mini AI tool which will suggest you, basically you add your topics, you add your audience and your content goals, and it suggests you like different content pillars or narratives. So first thing is like you should do this, and next thing it will ask you like which days you want to post. For example, I want to post on Monday, and then it asks me like what's the content pillar or narratives I want to work with. So maybe I want to talk about SaaS development tips, and I can set the time for maybe 10 a.m. And then I can also add like another time slot if I want to post more on Monday, like maybe twice on Monday. But let's not do that. I will post on Thursday then, and I will change it to maybe uh, change it to this strategic narrative. So I already selected it, and I want to post it on 10 a.m. So I think that feels good. Like Monday and Thursday, I will post on these 2 days. Once done, you can click on save schedule, and it will save your schedule. So now, like what it will do is like it will automatically like assign your content pillars or narrative to the day which you selected. So now all I need to do is like if I click on generate posts, it can generate them in a bulk format, or like there's also like a generate button for each specific day as well. So let's just click on generate all. So basically it will see like for the next 2 weeks, next 14 days, like what are my slots, and it's getting 3 slots. So maybe 2 for this month and 1 for the next month. So I think it is done. As you can see, like it wrote this post for me, which support this like content pillars, and then there's a post based on my strategic narrative, and you can see that is good as well. You can also write on your own writing styles. If you enable match my style option, it will write it in your format, like how you post it. And if you like it, you can click on approve. It will be scheduled and it will go out. And if you don't like, you can also like regenerate and it will rewrite it. So you can see like which variation works well for you. So if you're happy with something, you can click on approve. It will be posted, and you can also generate like an image for it as well. So if you click on create in a media column, it will open this editor. You can also like it will suggest you different codes that can go with this post. I can also like maybe find different templates as well. If I don't like this one, maybe I like this one. This is really simple. So I will load the template, and then I can click it here, and it will start using that. And once I'm done, I can click on add to post, and it will take me back to our planner. So this post will go with this image, and I can get on with it. So this is how like it works. And if you got any feedback, do let me know. And yeah, give it a try, and hope you like this feature.